Meaning of feedstuff.
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 Feedstuff. Feedstuff refers to any material or substance that is used as food for livestock or poultry. It includes grains, oilseeds, hay, silage, and other plant materials, as well as supplements like vitamins and minerals. The selection of feedstuff depends on factors such as the animal species, age, and stage of production or growth, as well as the availability and cost of the feedstuff. Proper nutrition and adequate quantities of feedstuff are crucial for the health and optimal performance of livestock and poultry, and careful management of feedstuff can help maximize profitability for producers.